Alright, now I've taken the top off here. You can see there's two pumps. One's kind of a white color, one of them's a darker color. This balloon trigger right here is all the way up, but the main pump is not functioning yet. This device right here is a contact trigger so that when the water gets up higher than when the main pump should have fired, the backup pump will kick on and pump water out, and a signal will get sent back to the basement watchdog and trigger a pump failure and warn you that a pump failure has happened. So it appears to be functioning. We'll let the water level come back up here. We've had a lot of rain recently, so water's pouring in pretty quickly. You can see I took all this apart so that we could see what's happening down in here. So just then you can tell the backup pump is being triggered. That made contact. The water's going down and the alarm is functioning properly. This says pump was activated, check main pump system for failure, which is exactly what's happening. So I think the main pump needs to be replaced. And that will solve the problem. But this was misdiagnosed. Doesn't even appear that they took, you can tell everything that had to strip off to look down inside there to see what was going on. So it didn't appear that they even opened this up to look and diagnose this. This is the problem, which this is actually saving this from being flooded and working properly.